How to send live location on Facebook Messenger. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily send a live location on your Facebook Messenger app. So let's just get right into it. The very first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up your Messenger application. And once you open up the app, the first thing you're going to have to do is head over to the chat where you want to send your live location to. And once you open the chat up, there is a plus icon right beside the camera, and if you tap on it, you will see different options. You can send files, play video games, and send location. If you tap on this location option, you're going to have to allow the permissions for location access, so just tap on allow. Now from here, you can either send your live location or send a pinned location. So all you have to do is select which location you want to send. So what I'm going to do here is send a random location from the map and select the point. So let's say if I want to send this location right here, I'm just going to pin it and then tap on send location. So just pin this and the location has been sent. And that's how you send the live location or any other location on Facebook Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.